Question number 1. Who became the first person to get a pilot license in India? Answer: J.R.D. Tata. Question number 2. Somnath Temple is situated on the coast of which state of India? Answer: Gujarat. Question number 3. Which city is called the fruit basket of India? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Question number 4. Where was the first metro rail service introduced in India? Answer: Kolkata. Question number 5. Which is the largest state of India by area? Answer: Rajasthan. Question number 6. Which Indian state is known as Tea Garden of India? Answer: Assam. Question number 7. Which is the second most regional language in India? Answer: Bengali. Question number 8. What is the official language of Indian state of Bihar? Answer: Hindi. Question number 9. What is the meaning of white color on the Indian national flag? Answer: peace and truth. Question number 10. When is National Girl Child Day celebrated in India? Answer: 24th January. Question number 11. In which year GST was launched in India? Answer: 2017. Question number 12. What is the first color film made in India? Answer: Kisan Kanya. Question number 13. Which is the largest museum in India? Answer: Indian Museum, Kolkata. Question number 14. In which state of India is Kolar Gold Mines, KGF, situated? Answer: Karnataka. Question number 15. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Answer: Lord Canning. Question number 16. Which Gupta ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? Answer: Samudragupta. Question number 17. Who built the first Grand Trunk Road in India? Answer: Sher Shah Suri. Question number 18. Who was the first Miss World from India? Answer: Rita Faria. Question number 19. Which is the highest rank of the Indian Army? Answer: Field Marshal. Question number 20. Indian Standard Time, IST, is taken from which place of India? Answer: Naini, near Allahabad.